Hey guys, it's Jordanbikes. Look at this little beauty, Harley Davidson xl883 iron. It is lovely, proper nice bike. One owner bike, 2015 on a 15 plate, and it's only done 2,614 miles. It's just absolutely lovely. No marks on it whatsoever. Comes with this backrest as well, so you're a bit comfortable. And the rack on there. Real nice bike for not a lot of money at all. Massive saving over new. So yeah, really nice and clean. I say it's only done 2,614 miles. Give it a quick fire up for you, because it does sound lovely. Not too loud, so you won't really upset your neighbours. But yeah, grab yourself a bargain. Get yourself down to Jordanbikes or just give me a call. Thank you very much.